A leaking drain pipe at the spot where it meets the wall drain stack is one of those annoying problems that can cause a big mess if you don't fix it right away. So here's the deal. First, check if the leak is coming from a loose gasket. Sometimes it's just not tight enough, and giving it a good snug with a wrench can stop the drip. If tightening doesn't do the trick, the gasket might be old or cracked, so swapping it out for a new one usually solves the issue. Make sure you get the right size gasket for your pipe to avoid any gaps when you put it back. Before you reassemble, clean all the surfaces so no dirt or grime will mess with the seal. While you're at it, look for any cracks or damage in the pipe or stack itself, because even a tiny crack can cause leaks. If you spot damage, replacing the damaged section is better than trying to patch it up with tape or sealant. When you're putting everything back, hand tighten first and then use your wrench carefully. Too much force can squish the gasket and cause leaks. Finally, run water through the drain and watch closely to make sure no water is escaping anywhere. One of the biggest mistakes people make with a leaking drain pipe at the wall drain stack transition is ignoring small leaks until they turn into major water damage. Fix leaks right away by tightening or replacing the gasket. Another common issue is using the wrong gasket size or type, which makes leaks a constant problem. Always double-check compatibility before buying a replacement. A third mistake is over-tightening the connections, which can actually crush the gasket and cause leaks instead of fixing them. Tighten just enough to hold things snug but not squeezed. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to plumbing and other home repairs. At the same time, it gives contractors a solid way to connect with people needing their services, making work more consistent and reliable for everyone.